Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to XIAOMI Smart Camera C200 with different users. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app. Then you should be able to find Share Device. Click on it, then select your method. In this case, we have XIAOMI account or phone. And allow control or view only. You can change the access level for your camera. So we're gonna go with allow control. Click on next, and then enter the email, phone number or XIAOMI account ID of a person you want to share the camera with. And then when it's ready, click on OK and the invite should be sent. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.